Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have a Chase account and need help, maybe with your credit card, banking or an app issue, this video will tell you exactly how to contact Chase customer service. We will cover phone numbers, online options and tips for faster help. So let's go. First step is find the right phone number. Open your dialer app for now. So for most personal banking issues like checking, savings, debit cards, call 1-800-935-9935. If your question is about credit cards specifically, call 1-800-432-3117. For business banking, there's a dedicated line 1-800-242-7338. If you're overseas or outside US, make sure to call the number listed on Chase website for international callers. Second step is using Chase website or mobile app. For that, open the Chase mobile or go to chase.com. Open your browser and go to chase.com. Login, then go to support or customer service section. There's usually a digital assistant feature in the app you can use to ask simple questions or find guides. If your issue is more complicated, you can send a secure messages from within your account dashboard. Chase has a secure message center so you don't expose sensitive info via regular email. Third step is automatic prompts and getting to a live person. When you call, you typically go through automated menus. To speak to a human, call 1-800-935-9935. Listen to the menu prompts, for example, for credit cards or banking. Press 0 or operator if that option appears. It usually routes you to a live customer service rep, but what to have ready before you call or message. Make sure you have your account number or card number, the email or phone number linked to your Chase account, the device you are using and app version if you're using the app, and date and time the issue happened, and last, any screenshot or error message text if possible. That helps the support agent help you faster, and that's how you contact Chase customer service the smart way, whether by phone, app or website. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and stay secure.